Hey guys, wanna know how to add frames or thematic frames in your photos using Lensa? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way on how you can add frames on your photos. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your application, and once you've done that, this page should appear. You can add photos, so simply click on add photos right here. Once you've done that, just simply import any photos of your like. Once you've imported, your Lensa AI will load and it should show like this. And once that's done, in order to add frames, it's super simple. On the bottom right here, from your fingers, slide towards the left side. In here, you can see frames. Just simply click on it. Here you can see various options you can choose from cards, films, basics, lines and papers. So I'll just use one and show to you. And this is how it looks. You can change it accordingly and then just simply click save once you're done with it, and it will be saved to your gallery. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.